Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the autoplay function on the BBC News application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the first option, the settings. And in the general settings option section, you can find the autoplay button, and here you can select the autoplay mode, never, on Wi-Fi only, on Wi-Fi or mobile network, and just select an option and click the white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.